Refurbishment is a powerful tool to have in your sustainability toolbox. It's a smart way to extend the life of your equipment while also reducing environmental impact. By letting Metso refurbish your existing equipment instead of replacing it, you can maximize the value of what you already own. For example, a refurbishment bucket or truck body requires only 10 to 20% of steel needed for manufacturing the new one. That means lower costs, less waste, and a significant reduction in the CO₂ emissions. It all starts with detailed inspections when the equipment arrives. We look for cracks, signs for worn-out spots, and other damages. Efficient maintenance planning is one of the cornerstones of sustainable operations. We use real wear data to decide what needs replacing and what doesn't. This data-driven approach ensures that only the necessary components are replaced, helping you get the most out of your materials while reducing waste and avoiding unnecessary expenses. It's efficient, cost-effective, and supports your sustainability goals.